How to enable and disable ChatGPT memory. So this allows ChatGPT to remember useful details about you across different chats. Now, the first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Then make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're signed in, look at the bottom left-hand side of the screen and click on your profile name or profile icon. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. Inside the Settings window, click on Personalization. Now you will see an option called Memory. If you want to enable memory, simply turn on the toggle switch next to memory. If you want to disable memory, just turn off the same toggle switch. Once memory is enabled, ChatGPT will be able to remember helpful details across your conversations, like your preferences, topics you use often, or ongoing projects. If memory is disabled, ChatGPT will not save or remember new information between chats. If you want to check what ChatGPT has remembered, you can click on Manage Memories inside the same section. From there, you can review or delete anything ChatGPT has stored about you at any time. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more ChatGPT tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.